Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. Today I will show you a unique and very easy method to memorize the Quran. This method is called writing and erasing method. I will show you this method practically, but before that I want to tell you some of the requirements to do this method. The first requirement is to have sincere intention to only do it for Allah. The second requirement is to make a lot of du'as in your sujood, in your regular prayers. The third requirement for this method is to do only one ayah per day, or if the ayahs are short, then 3 or 4 ayahs per day, or if the ayah is big, then only one ayah per day. This is the best. If you can do more, that's up to you. The next requirement for this method is to have a board and a marker and a duster, or the alternatives are the copy and the eraser and the pencil. And now we can start the practical way. As you can see the name of this method, now I will tell you what to do. So first of all, take the marker or the pencil and write down the ayah that you want to memorize. I want to memorize the third or fourth ayah of the Surah Al-Fatiha. Now you can see that I have written down the ayah. You will do the same. For any ayah, you will write it down. Listen and recite. So you choose your favorite Qari and start listening to this ayah, this particular ayah that you want to memorize, and along with him keep reciting, okay, until it gets easy on your tongue. Know the meaning of the ayah, know the context of the ayah, what this ayah is doing here, what's the story of this ayah. When you get comfortable in reciting it and you have the confidence to keep reciting it even sometimes without looking, then you can move to the next step, that is to remove some parts of the ayah. Okay, so like this, you remove this and you remove this. Now there were 4 or 5 words in this ayah and you remove 2 of them. Now you will try to recite this ayah by looking at the board and find out the missing words from your memory. Okay, now you will try to recall your memory, from your memory, what was here, what was here, like this. Iyaka, what was after iyaka from your memory? Na'budu or iyaka nasta'in. There is no problem if you forget this. You can easily go to the Mus'haf of the Quran and see what was here, what was here, and then you can try again until you can again recite from your memory the whole, like this. I mean, what I mean by this is that you can recite half of the ayah by seeing it and half of the ayah without seeing it. Okay, and after this, the next step of this method is to remove the whole ayah. Okay, now there is nothing written on the board. That means I am ready to recite it from my memory. So I will say Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, right? So that means I know the ayah from my memory. Now I have to write it down once again. So this is the last step of this method. So this is how this method will work. Okay. So my brothers and sisters, hopefully the practical way that you just saw was helpful for you. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video also. And if you find anyone in your family or in your friend circle difficult to memorize the Quran, please share this method with them all. And may this video be sadaqah jariyah for me and for you also. جزاكم الله خيرا. بارك الله لي ولكم في القرآن الحكيم ونفعني وإياكم بالآيات ذكر الحكيم.